How to register and prepare for the Australian Intern Written Exam. Knowledge Stream. Start with the knowledge stream by completing the skills assessment and document verification for the OPRA exam. You can apply for your visa after clearing the OPRA and English proficiency tests. Supervised Training. Complete 1,575 hours of supervised training. Once you finish 75% of these hours, you'll become eligible to take the written exam. Exam Eligibility. Provisionally register with the Pharmacy Board of Australia, PharmBA. Ensure you've completed the supervised practice hours to qualify for the written exam. Exam Details. The exam lasts 2 hours, comprises 75 multiple-choice questions, and costs 770 Australian dollars. Its syllabus is based on the National Competency Standards framework. How to prepare. To study effectively, follow the APC and AHPRA guidelines. Practice with sample questions and mock exams. Since the exam is open book, prepare printed or handwritten resources in advance. After the written exam. Once you pass the written exam, complete the oral exam, finish your intern training program, and complete all supervised practice hours to qualify for general registration as a pharmacist. Final thoughts. Passing the written exam is a significant milestone. With the proper preparation, you can achieve your dream. Need help? Elite Expertise provides study materials and mock tests to guide you to success.